Zoo AI Safety, Protecting Animals and Visitors. Many zoos face safety challenges, from animal escapes to visitors acting unsafely. These incidents put both animals and people at risk. But what if AI could help create a safer environment for everyone, especially during school visits? Our project uses cutting-edge AI to monitor zoo environments in real time. By analysing live video feeds, the AI identifies unsafe behaviours and signs of animal distress. When something's wrong, it instantly alerts zoo staff. Safe Zoo AI monitor tracks animal behaviour, detects risky visitor actions, and sends real-time alerts. A live dashboard displays the overall safety status of the zoo. This means faster emergency response, fewer accidents, and better animal care. We researched real zoo incidents and built a simple AI model to track movement. We also created a safety dashboard and designed educational posters with QR codes for visitors. See how our AI prevents a child from climbing a fence in our video demo. This proactive system provides instant alerts, preventing potential harm. For example, it alerts staff if a tiger is pacing excessively, indicating stress. It can even detect foreign objects in enclosures, like water bottles left behind by visitors. Our AI is designed to be non-intrusive and cause no harm to animals. We prioritise visitor privacy and ensure everyone is informed about the AI's use. The system is also designed to be accessible, with multi-language support. Explore zoo safety guidelines, AI resources, and case studies from Zoo Nagara, Microsoft AI for Earth, and Teachable Machine to understand the potential of AI.